Welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be talking about how you can invest in Lego pieces. When I first started investing in Legos, one of the first ways I found out I could get money from this toy I liked so much was I would go and dump out my Lego bucket across just a whole floor in an entire room, and I would go through for sometimes days and pick out all of the pieces I thought looked cool or unique in some way or that were very central to a Lego theme. And I was able to make hundreds of dollars doing this in the long term. So I've repeated doing this, not as often though, because I'm mostly investing in Lego sets, but Lego pieces can be a great option and are a good way to make a little money to help fund your Lego investments. So I will be later discussing some of the Lego pieces I am currently investing in, but some of the disadvantages of investing in Lego pieces is that you're not going to be making a lot of money. It's mostly a good way to start investing. If you do want to be making some more money from this, you can always, and you happen to have 100 Lego lightsabers, you can just sell them in bulk on eBay or Amazon or local delivery, and that can be a good way to make a little extra money for your Lego investing business. So some of the pieces I'm currently going to sell in the near future, this globe, which is very unique and is in very few Lego sets. I got this one from a Ship in the Bottle set, and I have two of these, and both of them together are worth about $10, which is great. $5 for a Lego piece is, for a lot of people, worth selling, including me. And so a few other options that I think that I'm considering selling are these unique figures from Lego Ninjago, and then the other one is from Lego Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. And they were also worth about $5. I might sell them, might not. It's up to you. I'm mostly focusing on Lego sets for my Lego investing, but it is a great idea to keep an eye on what Lego pieces you have and to occasionally track their value. So it's important to invest in Lego sets that have unique minifigures, as I've mentioned, but it's even better if they have unique pieces, especially if you plan on opening these sets, playing with them, and then selling the pieces, which can be a great option. So two options I've found to be the most successful are weapons, that's a sword, in Lego themes, because a lot of people like them. They can be thrown into most Lego builds anybody makes. And then also Lego pieces that are central to a very large Lego theme. This can be lightsabers in Lego Star Wars. This can be the ring figure from Lord of the Rings and The Hobbit, or this can be Captain America's shield from the Lego Marvel sets. So if you're looking to make a little extra money from your Lego investing business, I recommend searching through what pieces you currently have, and you will likely be surprised how much some of them can be worth. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.